Some stories change everything. This is one of them. It's the story of Isaac Newton, a quiet, solitary man whose mind reshaped our universe. He asked, why does an apple fall? Why does the moon stay in the sky? His answers revealed the hidden unity of nature. Newton saw connections where others saw chaos. He dared to believe the same laws ruled both apples and planets. This was a revolution, a shift from myth to science. In solitude, he built a new reality with tools of mathematics and physics. Newton's work turned the universe from a storybook of myths into a machine we could understand. He gave us the owner's manual for the cosmos. His ideas became the foundation of modern science. They powered the Industrial Revolution and guided rockets to the moon. Newton's legacy is in the technology we use every day. To understand Newton is to witness the birth of the modern world. He reached out and grasped the fabric of space and time. This is the story of how a quiet farm boy gave us the universe. He changed not just science, but the way we see everything. Newton was perhaps the greatest giant on whose shoulders we stand. Let's discover how he unlocked the universe. In 1643, Isaac Newton was born in a small English farmhouse. A lonely child, he experimented and learned how things worked. At school, rivalry pushed him to excel. Cambridge exposed him to great thinkers. During the Great Plague, isolated on his family farm, he had his year of wonders. Here the apple story was born, and he laid the groundwork for his theories. Newton published his masterpiece, the Principia Mathematica. His laws changed science forever, and he became a legend. Newton's story is proof that greatness can come from humble beginnings. Newton's greatest insight was universal gravitation. He saw that the force pulling an apple down was the same force keeping the moon in orbit. Gravity was everywhere, a cosmic glue holding everything together. Newton also unraveled the mystery of light. Using a prism, he showed that white light is a blend of all colors, a hidden rainbow. He proved that light could be split and recombined, revealing its true nature. To describe motion and change, Newton invented calculus, the mathematics of movement. Calculus lets us predict orbits, tides, and even the flow of air over a wing. Newton's 3 laws of motion became the rules for everything from baseballs to galaxies. An object at rest stays at rest. Force equals mass times acceleration. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. These simple laws govern our world and beyond. With gravity, light, and calculus, Newton revealed the operating system of the cosmos. He showed us the universe is rational and predictable. His discoveries form the foundation of modern science and engineering. Newton didn't just find new facts, he changed how we see reality. He gave us the tools to explore, predict, and shape our world. His genius supports so much of what we know today. Newton's work is the engine of modern science. He made the universe understandable, and he showed us that its secrets could be unlocked. Newton's legacy is the rational universe we live in. The real Newton was more than a wise old man under an apple tree. He was intensely private, fiercely competitive, and guarded his ideas jealously. Newton's rivalries with scientists like Hooke and Leibniz were legendary. He spent years defending his discoveries and his reputation, but Newton's passions went beyond science. He was obsessed with alchemy, searching for the philosopher's stone and the secrets of matter. He wrote over 1 million words on alchemy, hidden from most of his peers. Newton was also deeply religious, but his beliefs were unconventional. He studied the Bible in secret, searching for its original meaning. For Newton, science and faith were intertwined, both ways to glimpse the mind of God. His quest for knowledge was all-consuming, spanning the heavens and the hidden. Newton was a bridge between an ancient world of magic and a new world of science. His humanity, his passions, flaws, and obsessions made him who he was. Even the greatest minds are driven by mystery and wonder. Newton's hidden life reminds us, genius is always more complex than legend. Why does Newton still matter? Because his ideas shape our world. Every bridge, every satellite, every camera owes something to Newton's laws. He replaced superstition with reason and divine whims with universal laws. Newton's way of thinking, observation, experimentation, and mathematics became the foundation of science. He taught us not just what to think, but how to think. Einstein built on Newton's work, showing us even deeper truths. But Einstein himself said he stood on Newton's shoulders. Newton's revolution was the essential first step on our cosmic journey. The next time you see a plane or use GPS, remember Newton. He looked at a falling apple and saw the mechanics of the solar system. He gave us a universe governed by laws, not magic. We are still exploring the universe he opened up for us. And that is a legacy that will never fall.